Hello everyone, welcome to Recipes You Like. In this video, we will make gobi in Keema style. For the recipe, we have taken 500 grams of gobi cauliflower. After washing it 2 to 3 times, separate into small florets and then put it into the chopper. Or you can even grate the gobi using a hand grater. We don't want the cauliflower to be too fine. Chop whole of the gobi in small quantities, adding to the chopper little at a time. It will take you less time and whole of the gobi will evenly get chopped. Here our whole of the gobi is done. You can see the texture. It is neither too fine nor there are any big pieces in it. Let's move on to the cooking process. We will take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Heat the oil. You can take the oil as per your preference, how much more or less you eat. Keeping heat low, add the whole spices, 2 bay leaves, sage patta, half a teaspoon of cumin, zira. Let the cumin crackle for a few seconds and then add to it finely chopped onions. We have added 2 onions here. You can saute the onions over medium to high heat, stirring occasionally till they get translucent or golden brownish. In between, also add 2 to 3 as per your taste green chilies chopped. After the onions get golden brownish in color, to this we will add a teaspoon of finely grated or chopped ginger and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. At this point, after adding ginger and garlic, keep heat low. Continue sauteing for 1 to 2 minutes and add a teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Add salt to taste and then nicely mix everything together. At last, we will add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Quickly add all the spices, keep heat low and continue stirring to avoid spices getting burned. After continuously stirring and cooking the spices for 30 seconds to a minute, add the grated gobi and mix the gobi with the spices. We will now cook over medium heat, stirring in between for about 7 to 10 minutes and then we'll add in peas, 1 cup fresh or frozen. Let the peas mix in the gobi and then to this we will add 1/4 cup of tomato puree. Nicely mix in the tomato puree in the gobi and then we will cook this over a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. As we have not added any water here, you need to use heavy bottom pan for cooking this gobi keema. And also in between, give it a stir and then cover and cook again to avoid the sabzi from burning. After 20 minutes of slow cooking, our gobi has become soft here. Before switching off, we will again add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix and sprinkle over it a tablespoon of fresh chopped green coriander leaves. Switch off your stove, cover it up, and give it a stand time of 10 to 15 minutes before you serve it so that the gobi keema absorbs the flavor of coriander and garam masala. You can serve this delicious gobi butter keema recipe with roti, paratha, or puri. And if you like the recipe, don't forget to give it a try, giving your feedback and comments in the comment section below. And before leaving, do subscribe, hitting the bell icon. Till we meet again, bye.